Every one of us is looking for the simplest yet effective way to start investing and become rich in the shortest time possible. In this video, I will be introducing to you the 843 rule of compounding that I have been using to multiply my money in just 4 years. You've probably heard about compounding before, especially if you aren't new to the channel, as I have several videos on this topic. But if you are new to the channel, let's start by breaking it down in simple terms before discussing the rule. Compounding is essentially when you invest some money, and over time, you earn a return on that investment. And instead of withdrawing those earnings, you reinvest them. Over time, your initial investment grows, and so do your earnings. This cycle repeats, and before you know it, your money starts growing exponentially over time. That's the power of compounding in a nutshell, and it's incredibly powerful. So, what is the 843 rule, and how does it fit into all of this? Let's break it down step by step. The 843 rule of compounding offers a simple yet powerful framework for wealth building. It involves 3 key elements: return on investment, ROI, investing duration, and the number of assets to invest in. Let me explain each number on the rule for easier understanding. The 8 represents an 8% return on investment, which is a realistic and achievable target for many investors. This percentage accounts for both capital appreciation and dividends, providing a steady stream of income while also allowing your investment to grow over time. The 4 signifies a 4-year duration, emphasizing the importance of long-term thinking in the world of investing. By staying committed to your investments for at least 4 years, you give them the time they need to weather short-term fluctuations and realize their full potential. Finally, the 3 highlights the significance of diversification across 3 different assets. Now, you might be thinking, why invest in 3 assets? Well, to diversify your investments by spreading them across different assets to reduce your risk and increase your chances of long-term success. Let's say you put all your money into one asset like the stock market and it doesn't perform as expected. You could end up losing a significant portion of your investment. But by diversifying, you're not putting all your money in one investment. So, even if one asset underperforms, the others can help offset the losses, keeping your overall portfolio more stable. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the 843 rule provides a clear roadmap for achieving financial success in a short period of time. To understand how this works, let's look at an example. Let's say Alex has $15,000 now lying in his bank account. Alex knows banks don't really offer the best returns, so he decides to divide the money equally and invest it in 3 assets. These are stocks, index funds, and real estate investment trusts. Index funds representing the broader market, stocks from consumer staple or tech companies, and real estate investment trusts for exposure to real estate. Over the course of 4 years, assuming an average annual return of 8% for each asset, Alex's initial $5,000 investment in each asset will grow to approximately $6,800 on each investment, adding up his total final investment after 4 years to approximately $21,000 from $15,000. In another scenario, let's say Alex commits to a disciplined monthly contribution of $500 to each asset. After 4 years, each of his assets will have grown by 8%, resulting in each of his investments being valued approximately at $34,000, adding up the total value of the 3 investments to over $102,000, showcasing the remarkable potential of the 843 rule when applied to a diversified investment strategy. Okay, so now that we understand the 843 rule and the power of compounding, how do we put it into action? Well, by using the following simple principles of smart investing. 1. Start early and stay consistent. Starting early is crucial in the world of investing because of the power of compounding, as time is one of the most critical aspects of any investment strategy. Even small amounts invested consistently over time can grow into significant sums due to the compounding effect. By starting early, you give your investments more time to grow, which can ultimately lead to greater wealth accumulation in the long run. Plus, starting early allows you to weather market fluctuations and take advantage of the natural ups and downs of the market without panicking. Set a budget, stick to it, and make investing a priority, just like you would with any other financial commitment. 2. Automate your investments. Life can get busy, and it's easy to forget to invest regularly. That's where automation comes in handy. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts, whether it's through your employer's retirement plan, a brokerage account, or a robo-advisor platform. By automating your investments, you remove the temptation to spend that money elsewhere and ensure that you're consistently adding to your portfolio over time. 3. Reinvest your earnings. Reinvesting your returns is a powerful way to accelerate the growth of your investment portfolio. Instead of cashing out or pocketing your gains, reinvest them back into your portfolio to take advantage of the compounding effect. Reinvesting dividends, interest, and capital gains allows your money to continue working for you, compounding over time and generating even greater returns. This simple yet effective strategy can significantly boost the long-term growth of your portfolio, helping you achieve your financial objectives sooner. 4. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is often referred to as the only free lunch in investing. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographical regions, you can reduce the overall risk in your portfolio. If one asset performs poorly, others may perform well, helping to offset losses and stabilize your overall returns. Diversification can help you achieve a more consistent and smoother investment journey, protecting your wealth over the long term. 5. Focus on quality investment. Quality over quantity is a mantra that holds true in investing. Instead of chasing high-risk, high-reward opportunities, focus on quality investments with strong fundamentals and a track record of steady growth. Look for companies with solid financials, reliable cash flows, and sustainable competitive advantages. Similarly, when investing in other asset classes like real estate or bonds, prioritize assets with proven stability and income-generating potential. By focusing on quality investments, you can reduce the risk of permanent capital loss and increase the likelihood of achieving your financial goals. 6. Stay disciplined and patient. Investing can be a roller coaster ride with ups and downs along the way. During periods of market volatility or economic uncertainty, it's essential to stay disciplined and avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Stick to your investment plan, focus on the long-term horizon, and resist the temptation to time the market or chase short-term gains. Remember that successful investing is about time in the market, not timing the market. By staying patient and letting the power of compounding work its magic, you'll be well positioned to achieve your financial goals over the long haul. 7. Stay informed. Stay educated about the market and economic trends that can impact your investments. Keep yourself updated on the performance of your investments and be prepared to adjust your strategy as needed. This doesn't mean trying to time the market or chasing hot investment trends, but rather staying disciplined and sticking to your long-term investment plan. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to help guide your investment decisions and ensure your portfolio remains aligned with your goals. The beauty of this rule lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It's not about getting rich quick, but rather about steadily building wealth over time through the power of compounding. So, whether you're just starting your investing journey or looking to level up your strategy, remember the 8-4-3 rule as your blueprint for long-term success.